Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking a lovely leg of lamb on the PK360. Okay, so this is my first cook on Portable Kitchen 360. The PK360 is really quite a new grill over in the UK, but they've been available in the States for very many years. I'm looking forward to cooking on this one. I've been cooking on his little brother, the TX, but now I want to cook on the big grill. I've got a nice whole leg of lamb here to go on this grill, and it's a beautiful leg of lamb. This is from my friend Michael at the Randy Ram. So I'm going quite simple with this. No smoke. I think it's easy to overpower lamb with a lot of smoke. So I'm just going for charcoal, and I'm just going for lots of flavour on this lamb. I'm going to load up the grill with some charcoal. Then get it going with my trusty luft lighter. Okay, so that's going nicely. I'm going to shut down the grate. I'm going to shut the lid down. I'm looking for about 160 to 180 degrees C on this. I've got both vents at the bottom open and dial this top one down over the coal so the heat goes across there and out of that one. That should be perfect. No smoke, just charcoal. Okay, so while the grill's heating up, I'm going to prep this lovely leg of lamb with some rosemary, sea salt, garlic and a bit of black pepper. All I'm going to do is put slits in here just so I can get some flavours in. Got some rosemary here. I'm going to cut some chunks of garlic off and then you into those slots as well, and turn it over. Then some slits in there. So I'm going to use the meter block, get a probe out. I'm going to pop that in the end here, making sure it goes right up to the line. And that's ready to go on the grill. So I'm going to put it here on the indirect side. That should roast away lovely for a couple of hours. Okay, so I'm going to set the meter app up for lamb, leg of lamb, 65 degrees C, and start cook. Brilliant. The meter will tell me when that's ready. The meter is telling me that this is ready. I'm going to have a look and see how it's looking. Nice crispy skin. Oh my God, that's sensational. Great job. I'm really happy with this grill. Nice simple way of cooking. It's only used a small amount of charcoal. There's a lot left there, so that tells me it's really efficient and great to cook on. I'm going to shut down the vents and save the rest of that charcoal for another day. Okay, it's got the meter probe in here. I can take that out now. It's done its business. Great job. Look at this lamb here. It's gorgeous. Got a nice crispy skin on it. Nice bit of char in places. Look at that. A bit of lamb crackling there. That's my chef's perks, that is. Oh. Crispy lamb crackling, you can't beat it. I'm just going to let it rest a bit longer and try not to pick at that skin too much. And it's had a nice little rest. The meter's done its job, and most of all, the grill has done a fantastic job. I'm really impressed with the roasting cooked this lamb, and it's beautiful crispy skin. The herbs have crisped up and the garlic smell is sensational. Nice and juicy looking. Oh, look at that. That's the bit I want there. Let's have a taste. Oh. I think that's the best lamb I've ever tasted. It's stunning. Quality lamb. Great job, Randy Ram. I'm gonna have another slice of this. Oh boy, that is wonderful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember that box over there? Smash it, subscribe to my videos, and hope you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. Cheers.